Now let us draw some circles. Okay, so I'll just use the ribbon. As you notice here in the ribbon, there's a drop down menu for that circle tool. Okay, and there are 6 methods on how to draw a circle. Okay, let us first try the center radius. Okay, by its name, center and then radius, you need to specify first the center and then you provide the radius. And you'll notice here in the command line, specify center point for circle. So I'll just click anywhere here in the drawing area. Okay, I'll just say here. Then I'll move my mouse crosshair away, the crosshair away. Okay, you notice as you move away the crosshair from the specified center point, an increasing value or inputting value is provided. Okay, this is the where you input the radius of the circle. Okay, as you'll notice here, specify the radius of the circle. So I just type in, let's say 200, then I press the enter key. Okay, so this circle, okay, has a radius of 200 and also it has a diameter of 400. Okay, so you may want to practice center radius. So you can create another circle, you provide the radius, let's say 500, enter. Okay,